He stumbled into the blizzard before him. The cold, like the lashes of a whip, tore at his skin. His hands were red and raw, but he didn't feel pain much anymore. He was confused and bruised from hitting the ground, but he didn't complain, didn't make a sound. He felt numb in more ways than one. His life had been like walking headlong into that storm. It seemed he had struggled since the day he was born. His family were bereft of wealth, living hand to mouth on a daily basis. He sometimes remembered places, but had often forgotten faces and names. They were framed in Polaroid glimpses now and again. Ice stuck to his facial hair, but he didn't care. Wet clothes clung to his skin. He squinted as snow drove into him. He wasn't sure where he was going, but he sensed there was some purpose to his adventure. That was the problem with dementia. It took away day after day after day until there was no knowing, even loved ones. It was like a black cloud had come and covered your sun. Finally he could walk no more. He slipped to the floor and backed himself against a tree, wrapped arms around his knees, humming a childhood tune about dishes and a spoon. It was night, but around him the land was completely white and bright. He laughed as he watched the flakes dancing around the streetlights. As it fell, it swirled in the orange glow, and like a child he was captivated by the magic of snow. It was now falling heavy and thick and had covered car and brick. He suddenly had a vague recollection of that place, but in an instant it was gone, and he became blank-faced. They found him the next day barely alive, but he was hospitalised and did survive. It was 100 yards from where he used to live before the illness took hold. Half of Brighton was searching for him, or so I'm told. His wife made a passionate plea on Meridian TV. Please find John. He's 63 and never ventures out alone. He needs to return to his Dyke Road care home. But to him, of what happened or why, he was blissfully unaware, returned to care, not remembering that day, or before, or any more.